person that thought of this, Charlie, is just too much.
She's like, get out.
You're so gentle. I don't think you're gonna get anywhere that way.
Charlie,
That's
you
just funny.
grab a different string.
Yeah, that's it, just rip it up.
Yep.
This is why we could not leave her out.
I've never seen her do this.
Cause
though.
she'd work and
Or
work.
she would have opened everyone's presents.
That's why I kept them at my house. I thought she will just.
Oh, I had to put.
get sick.
She was really interested in yours.
It's
that you
meticulous.
sent over. Did it
Right,
have
you got it
something
open
in
already.
Did some of them have
Not
food?
that I remember.
So I just kept them up on the
I thought I
counter.
tried to keep.
Yay!
Alright, they better have one then.
Oh, you're gonna have to rip the whole thing, cause it's sealed, you know, with that.
She's already ripped it, kind
Oh,
of.
has she?
Yeah.
So she can get her tongue in there and taste them.
Yay!
Yay!
Alright, this will
That's all you get.